G'day YouTubers, this is just a short how-to for young fella Jake. I was talking to him on Facebook and he asked how I do my wheel swaps. Well, Jake, you know how to drill out the rivets. Well, once you take that apart, mate, you have them. What you can do is what I do is I get a little screwdriver and I put it in between there and there, push down and just turn it side to side, and it usually just pops straight out. You do the same on the back. Sometimes it can be a bit of a bugger to do, but most of the times they just pop straight out. Or you could get, I haven't got a pair of side cutters around here, you could put your axle in. Oh, up here, yeah, here we go. Put your axle in. Well, when you've drilled it out and your axle like that, you can get your side cutters and you can just chop off them little clips, or one of them, and they pop straight out. And what you do with the unclipped one is just put your wheel back in. Sometimes you gotta use a screwdriver, push it in. Once it's in, just move that top clip, the one that you moved, just put the screwdriver on it and push back a bit. Or if you have cut it like I did the back one, just put your wheel in, get some glue, just using this glue, and put some glue right in here, just where the axle, in that little groove there. Let's put some glue there, a couple of drops will do, and once that hardens, your wheels will still spin freely. Well, Jake, hope that helped, mate. If not, just hit me up on Facebook. Catch you on the flip side.